to Own New Scars. Come on, videos and files. Back with thinking tuning in. All right, so this is the Boxycharm unboxing. I believe this is December of 2017. Yes, I know I'm late. I know it's 2018. I know the date, y'all. Okay. But anyway, this is Boxycharm unboxing. And before we get into it, I'm just going to go into a brief synopsis of what Boxycharm is, and I'm going to look at my computer as I usually do. In each box, you will receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty items ranging from makeup to skincare, beauty tools to color cosmetics, and each box has a value of 100 and up. Brands range from emerging to established, and you're guaranteed to find a few new favorites in each box. You explore your beauty, experience your new products, community, and charmers, and be charmed and enjoy your exclusive box. And then let me see. We're going to go to the home page, and I'm going to tell you the prices, and that's basically it. And they have brands from Tarte to ColourPop, the Smashbox, Ofra. They have like the good brands, like the box. The box be like over the limit. You know what I'm saying? Like, so her monthly box is $21 a month. You get billed monthly. If you want it, 3 months is $19.66, 6 months $19.33, and 12 months is $19.25. So it renews automatically. You can cancel at any time. Okay. So I just started with Boxycharm, I believe, in November, and I was on the waiting list, but you don't wait that long. I don't know how long you wait. I totally forgot. I did not, calculate all that. So yeah, because I didn't know if I was going to do an unboxing or not, and I didn't know when I was going to unbox. So yeah, so this is December 2017. So let's get into it. I don't want to take all of your time. And yeah, so let's just get into it, okay? All right, so this is the box. This is Boxycharm. It comes in a little black box like this. And I'm going to show you guys, and that's basically about that. So I'm going to open it. And the box is fairly easy to open. And once you open it, this is what it looks like. I hope everything is on. Okay. All right, they say glitz and glam, so I will read this postcard after. I just want to show you the items first. And I like the way, I like this. Like, they really secure everything, which is great. So I like this right here because they don't want anything to break, just to secure everything. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, what I see here looks so beautiful. Okay, so yeah. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so, we got Tarte up in here. All right, so we got the Tarte. Okay, so let's see what this, ooh, okay, boo. Okay, we got the mascara. Okay, you guys know this is beautiful. Look, this is beautiful. Look at this, y'all. The packaging is nice. I love this. Okay, Tarte. All right, so that's basically about that. All right, now we got a what's this called? Crown brush. Okay, boo. Okay, what we doing, boo? We're gonna open it right here. Yep. I want it in the plastic. Okay, this is like a nice little fluffy brush right here. Okay, boo. Okay, white. Okay, it's white, but make it get messy. But it's cool, nice and fluffy. Okay, boo. Okay, I see you. All right. Now we got. Okay, what we got? This look nice. Okay. These packages look beautiful. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so this is in a color My Lips Are Sealed. Okay. All right, what are we doing? Okay, so okay, I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but it's okay. Sorry about that other swatch, I was trying to figure out what. Oh, this is a little, I don't know if I'm gonna put that on my lips. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I get this to my sister, but I don't know. But anyway. All right, so now we got the blush kit. Real Her, Be Fearless, Be Limitless. Oh. So we're going to open this. Y'all want me to open this? Hold on. Because I want to see the blush. All right, so this is the blush. Oh, it's nice. These the packaging is bomb, y'all. I don't know why this packaging is so bomb. Ooh, look. Fearless, Limitless, and Unstoppable. Ooh, we're going to do a little swatch game. We're going to do a little swatch. So we're going to swatch on this hand since this hand a little tore up. So this is Fearless. So we're going to swatch Fearless. This is Fearless. That's Fearless. This is Limitless. That's Limitless right there. Right here. Okay. And Unstoppable. Unstoppable right there. Unstoppable right there. So these are very nice, subtle, nice, subtle pink blushes, okay? All right, I don't really like pink like that, but they look very nice and subtle, you know. Some for like, you know, April, you know, for Easter, you know, just to pop a little pink up in there, you know. My eyebrows looking bomb, y'all. My eyebrows look bomb today. All right, so anyway, I'm gonna cut that out. Okay, so we got Butte Basics, okay? Packaging is bomb, okay? Okay, so bronze, okay, oh, okay, I guess, okay. Okay, this looks very different. Oh, okay. Boom, I just swipe my hand across and this is what I get. Okay, you see that? That's very, okay. Okay. All right, so anyway, they got a mirror up here. Oh, you know I like the glow. You know I like to look like the last dragon, okay? All right, but anyway, so that's it, you guys. All right, so again, no candy. I don't need no candy, y'all. But anyway, all right, so let's get into it. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm being crazy. All right, so the Real Her blush kit is $32. $32. All right, treat your cheeks to an instant natural glow with 3 shimmery tones. Yeah, they're very nice. I am going to use those. Crown Brush Deluxe Blush Brush, tongue twister, is $12. With super soft, dense synthetic bristles, this brush can be used with both powder and cream blushes and provides medium to full coverage for a more dramatic finish, okay? Pretty Vulgar My Lips Are Sealed Lightweight Liquid Lipstick. Okay, that's that lipstick that's like really bright pink. You see it from here. Bam. All right, it says a highly pigmented liquid lipstick that provides a radiant metallic finish, nice, comfortable, creamy texture, and a citrus cordial flavor. Oh, it tastes like something? Okay. I'm going to mute that out. Okay. But anyway, if I use this, it will be like a little like shimmer. Like I'll just put like a little dot on it. I won't, you know, saturate my lips in it. The Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara is $23. And it's a jet black vegan. Okay. Vegan mascara that has molded brush that grabs and coats even the tiniest lashes. Oh, for 2,700% more volume. Now, how that's a lot of percentage, okay? Okay. Butte Basics Bronze Essentials. Oh, dope. That's $39.95. Use individually or mixed together for your ultimate bronze and glow. Okay. So if y'all add that all up together, it's over $100. So yeah, so Boxycharm. I'm liking Boxycharm, okay? I'm gonna need for y'all to get up on Boxycharm. I've been sleeping so hard on Boxycharm. Why didn't nobody wake me up? Okay, that's okay. But I woke up today. Oh, well, I woke up in November. But anyway, I digress. I woke up last year, you know. But anyway, that's basically about that. Let me stop. But yeah, so that's it, you guys. So if y'all want to get a Boxycharm, please click the link down below to get your Boxycharm. Definitely go get it, and you will enjoy it because like ever since I've gotten Boxycharm, I like it. So I'm about to try that mascara because I've never tried on the mascara other than my mascara that I've been using. I definitely will try it on my next makeup look, and I'll give you guys an update. Let me know what you want me to review from the box. I know I've had a box in the past November. I know somebody wanted to know about the setting spray in the last box, so I definitely will do a review on that. And that's basically about that. So yeah, y'all, I'm done. But anyway, that's it, y'all. That's the box. Yeah, I really do like it a lot. So definitely go get your hands on a Boxycharm box. And like I said before, you will probably get put on the waiting list because there are a lot of people. Boxycharm is like bomb. Like it's all over YouTube. Like y'all sleeping. I'm gonna need for y'all to wake up. Like for real. You know, just if you don't have a subscription box and you want to try a subscription box like in the beauty type area, try this one first. Spend your coin on this one first. And if you don't like it, you could always cancel. Okay. So yeah, that's basically about that. All right, you guys. I'm out of here. And watching. Peace. Bye.